Hi everyone, this side Megha. So till now we have seen four functions that from member menu, that is add member, update member, then change the status of a member from active to inactive. Today we will see 15th number function, that is get the list of all members. So this is our code, and if somebody is entering choice number 15, that means he want a list of all members. So we have here function name member list. Okay, if the member list is equal to none, then it will show that no members are found. This is all members is our function, and member list is the variable or the parameter which we will be passing to our function. If no members are found, it will print the message no members found. Otherwise it will call this function print underscore members. So let's go to the function print underscore members. So this is our function print underscore members, where we would take the member list as a parameter. This is a list, and for each member in member list, this is for each function. So for us to print the list, it will print the list in this format, like member of 0, his details would be printed, member number 2, his details would be printed, and so on. So in this way all the details of the members would be printed. So we will run our program. So if I enter choice number 15, it will show us the list of all the members that are registered with us. If this concept is clear to you, do let me know in the comment section. In case of any queries, if it is not clear, do let me know. Otherwise we will meet again in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.